Lionel Messi is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward and captains both Spanish club Barcelona and the Argentina national team. He was born on 24 June 1987 in Rosario, Argentina, the third of the four children of the George Messi, a steel factory manager, and his wife Celia Cucitini, who worked in magnet manufacturing shop. Leo developed a passion for the sports from an early age, playing constantly with his older brothers. At the age of 4, he joined local club Grandoli, where he was coached by his father. Later, Messi joined the Rosario club when he was 6 years old. During the 6 years he played for Newell's, he scored almost 500 goals as the member of the Machine of 87, the nearest unbeatable youth side name for the year of their birth. However, his future as the professional player was threatened at the age of 10. He was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency, as his father's health insurance covered only 2 years of growth hormone treatment, which cost at least $1,000 per month. Later, Messi family had relatives in Catalonia. They sought to arrange a trial with Barcelona in September 2000. First team director Charlie Rexach immediately wanted to sign him, and then FC Barcelona made the best deal in the history of football, signing a young Lionel Messi from Argentina at the age of 13. The contract signed on a napkin was predicted on FCB, paying Messi for his medical treatment. After completing his growth hormone treatment at the age of 14, Messi became an integral part of the Baby Dream team, Barcelona's greatest ever youth side. During his first full season 2002 and 2003, he was top scorer with the 36 goals in 30 games. During the 2003 and 2004 season, Messi rapidly progressed through the club ranks. Later, Messi made his first team debut in the 75-minute game during a friendly against Jose Mourinho Porto on 16 November 2003. On 24 June 2005, on his 18th birthday, Messi signed his first contract as a senior team player. It made him Barcelona player until 2010. Later, Messi started breaking his own records. At the age of 22, Messi won his first Ballon d'Or. 3 successful seasons followed, with Messi winning 3 consecutive Ballon d'Or. During the 2011-12 season, he set the La Liga and European records for the most goals scored in a single season, while establishing himself as Barcelona all-time top scorer. Later in 2014-15 campaign, Messi becoming the all-time top scorer in La Liga and leading Barcelona to a historic second treble, after which he was awarded a 5th Ballon d'Or in 2015. And today Messi is the recipient of several awards, including 6 Ballon d'Or awards, a record 6 European Golden Shoes. He spent his entire professional career with Barcelona, where he was won a club record 34 trophies, including 10 La Liga titles, 4 UEFA Champions League titles, and 6 Copas del Rey. And today Lionel Messi has an estimated net worth of $400 million, in India 2,869 crore rupees, and he is the owner of expensive cars, house and private jet. Then let's get it on, which includes Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradale, Audi RS6 Avant, Cadillac Escalade, Audi R8 V10 Plus, and you can watch full car calculation video on my channel. Lionel Messi House. The address of the luxury home of Lionel Messi is located in the settlement of Castelldefels, which is connected to the Barcelona city of Spain. The house that Messi owned in a real estate worth about $12 million in 2017. In India, 86.07 crore rupees. Messi House modern pad overlooks the beautiful Catalan hills and the Mediterranean coast with lots of open terrace and large panoramic windows. The interior of the house is decorated in a Mediterranean style with the light color walls and wooden floors. Lionel Messi customized private jet, which cost around $15 million. In India, 107 crore rupees. The jet offers 16 seats, comes with a kitchen and a personal touches like the jersey number 10 on the tail and the name of his family members on the step. Since 2008, Messi has been in relationship with Antolina Roccuzzo, and they have 3 sons: Thiago, born on 2012, Matteo, born on 2015, and Cairo, born on 2018. And Messi married to Antolina on 30 June 2017. And guys, today's video like target is only 1000 likes, so please click the like button. And this is all about the lifestyle of Lionel Messi. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video.